Okay, level 5, compose a syncopated drum beat. You can use the drum machine if you wish, but I'm going to use just normal instrument tracks here. So I'm going to add a new track, instrument, and then I'm going to call this my drums. I'm going to go to instrument, pick drum kits or drum pads. In fact, I might go for drum pads. S and F are your main ones. If you've got two hands, you can do your hi-hats at the same time. So that's 6. I don't like this kit. Oh, that's alright. Oh, this is alright. Okay, obviously I just chose the first one that came up, but there's loads to pick from. Okay, so this little red thing, you can click it, this little red region here, so that everything loops. That's kind of a soccer rhythm, but it's kind of a Afrobeat rhythm there as well, so I might go for that one. With a little drum fill maybe. Okay, so I'm gonna record that. I might just record one bar and loop it. So let's see how it goes. Okay, that was not what I wanted to do, so I'm gonna go again. I'm going to do that. Okay, double click. Select all the notes. Quantize. Okay, what I'm going to do for now is just loop it again. I might decide not to later on. Okay, and that is level 5 done.